Good morning, everybody. It's time to pull on those old blazers out of your wardrobe and put them on. Well, I did the same thing. I did have a reason. Do you? Well, I think I have been successful. Do you think you are successful? What is the definition of success to you? To me, being able to do what you want to do is success. Let's go through some quotes from my folder which I picked out. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Only after you awake do you realize you were sleeping. The winner is a part of the answer, the loser is always a part of a problem. The winner says it may be difficult, but it's possible. The loser says it may be possible, but it's difficult. The winner says, let me do it for you. The loser says, that's not my job. The winner sees an answer in every problem. The loser sees a problem in every answer. There is no elevator to success. You have to take 2 stairs. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is success. So here, let's go through each quotes one by one and understand what is success to you, what is success to me, and how have I achieved it, and how can I be of help to you to achieve in your journey. Winners never quit and quitters never win. So if you have, it's all about the mindset. Why would I be giving a lecture over here on success and speak about winning and losing? Well, throughout my journey, I have been a learner, a lifetime learner, and my quest for knowledge has made it possible for me to follow the journey that I've been through right from a very small age. So basically कहते हैं ना कि आपके दिमाग में वो कीड़ा होता है, तो मेरे दिमाग में भी वो कीड़ा था. I wanted to know, I wanted to learn, and that कीड़ा never died. So if that worm in my head of learning, being curious, learning whatever through different milestones of life or through different steps of life, if that worm had been dead, I wouldn't have been able to chase what I wanted to learn, and I would not have been able to execute what I wanted to. So first thing, know what is success to you. They say it's good to dream, but there's nothing called dreaming, There's no luck, there's no dream. You may dream, but then to execute it, you need to have a strategy. You need to have a plan. You need to have goals. And the big goal has to be, broken down into little small goals. And that's how you go accomplish to do things, tasks day by day. And by having the strong mindset, the curiosity to learn, to chase each goal one at a time. You take one step at a time and then you climb these ladders. They say, there's no elevator to success. You have to take steps. You see all these people who have done what they have, always wanted to do, those empires they have made, huge dreams they have accomplished, or success. It all takes a proper strategy to execute. It needs constant dedication, loyalty to your own goals, and a commitment to rise, show up every day, be yourself, chase what you want to, and also, last but not least, the discipline. Without discipline, you would be nowhere. Now, why am I saying so much? So, all my life, I have been a learner, and I have achieved quite a bit, which is why I'm here speaking right now today. Last year, I produced an album of 7 songs, which was written by my daughter. So I composed and produced one album last year. This year, I produced another album, Gemma Zema Volume 1, and I have more albums in future too. I would pride saying that I also taught my daughter writing stories and books, and she published 3 books. She wrote those, and we made audiobooks out of those. I wrote almost 10 stories last year, value based children's stories, and made almost 7 audio stories, which is there on YouTube. You can check and go through the playlist called Life Album, which is by my daughter, written songs by my daughter. Playlist of album Jema Zema Volume 1, which are children based, value based children's songs. And there is another album which is in production, cinematic scores, which I'm gonna soon complete. So also academically, I was meritorious throughout all my life. The discipline has made it possible for me to be meritorious and score good in academics too. I taught the same to my daughter, being a parent of a teen who I'm really very proud of. She's an amazing girl, Noshi, and she has scored 95% in 10th grade, and all the life she has also been meritorious. Now, what if I say that it doesn't take crores of rupees or millions of dollars to achieve this kind of mindset? What if I say any another person can do it? You can do it too. So all those parents who are watching this and all those children, I have worked a lot with slow learners, and I have even done masters in clinical psychology. So I wanted to do PhD in life, but which I couldn't then later. Perhaps my research has never stopped. I have always kept researching what works and what doesn't, and that has helped me in life. Basically, I'm a homemaker because I chose to be one. I've been very highly qualified and I've had lots of awards. But all my life, all I wanted to do was be a homemaker, manage home, take care of the family, take care of people, and that's what has that path. Side by side, pursuing hobbies that I like, and pursuing passions that says writing or creating music or creating songs or learning a new instrument or writing scores. And I've been able to do what I wanted to do in life, and which I'm very happy about, which is why I would say even you can do it. So also one of the part of the journey of a person is to help others, and help others achieve success or help them be better than what they could be, and figure out what is wrong, which they can make it right in order to get that right recipe of success. So first, what I want you to do is write in the comments below, what is success to you? Success to me is being able to accomplish what you want to do in life, being able to do what I want to do in life. It could be a small thing like achieving a to-do list for today. For example, I have 4 to-do lists in my list of to-do things. Go and complete the list of groceries, buy and stock my pantry. Second, it could be cleaning the house, sweeping and swapping. Third, it could be stuffing my refrigerator with the seasonal fruits which are very reasonable in the market right now, not just any random. So you get it. For me, success is today I have to go to grocery, get the list done, fill up my pantry, or another, get the reasonable priced fruits which are seasonable right now available in the market. And third, to clean up my house, which is sweeping, swapping, which is very basic. Now for a depressed person, this could be a mountain. So a person who cannot get out of the bed, for that person, accomplishing these tasks or getting these to-do list is a mountain of success for that person. For a normal common woman or a homemaker or a working person or a professional, this could be just a single bachelor who's living by himself. It could be just a matter of few hours and follow the path and get it done. That's it. 3 to-do lists, go to the mall, get the grocery list, and that's it. Similarly, there are different to-do lists in life. There are different goals in life, and there are different terminologies of success. So success is pretty much subjective. It is pretty much what you want to do, what success is for one person. Finding love of the life could be success for one person. For another person, getting 10 crores of rupees in the bank could be success for him. For another person, it could be merely to get a job and get a 2 BHK in the state they are living and get married and settled. That could be success. So the definition of success is different from one person to the other. What could be success for a student? Let's see that. Why do we go to school? We go to school to study, to learn, and to seek knowledge. Now, what if I tell you there is a sure say recipe if you are an average student or a backbencher? What if I say you can do it too? Anybody can do it too, provided you are just another normal, average, happy-go-lucky, just a person who gets things done. It doesn't require any super science to figure out the right ways to do it. I have done it all my life. I have learned all throughout my life. You could go to ratnacomposerstudio.wordpress.com to look into my qualifications, awards, my journey, what all I have accomplished by far, what I have learned, and also to know more about my daughter who has been taking her baby steps in her journey without any pressures and without any stresses. What if I say I show you the right path, a right system which is going to help you accomplish anything that you want in life as a student, to get those percentages or to figure out what are the right situations to study or to figure out what could be the right method of study. Most scholars have had figured it out all. Maybe they could have had help of their parents, or perhaps they would have had mentors who would they be following. What if I say even the kids of uneducated parents, even they can go and do wonders. They can go and score great. All it takes, you could be from any financial background. You could be from a rich family, or you could be just from a mediocre or a poor family. It doesn't need a penny to have this mindset, to have it all calculated right and be able to do what you want to do in life. It's all about the mindset, then the preparation, know your goals and have it right. You could be anywhere, but you could have this your way. You could have this done. This is success. To score, to study well, to learn. There are techniques to learn. There are techniques to improve handwriting. There are techniques to figure out how you could not lose focus. Are you having any of these issues? Are you having a problem figuring it out? Why aren't you getting good marks? Perhaps we could make this thing right together. So here it is again. The winner says, let me do it for you. The loser says, that's not my job. The day you take responsibility for yourself, the day you take accountability, the day you know what you want, and the day you know the right system to go after it is the day you have got it all figured out. Right percentages, scores, or whatever. It's just the mindset and the dedication and the discipline to follow. So let's hear a huge shout out for all of us and for all those who are struggling in academics. You please go and comment below or feel free to WhatsApp me 91750 and register yourself for a special counseling session which is going to help you figure out. Let me know your problems and I'll help you out with your academic solutions, the right solutions. Why aren't you getting it right? Let's do it together. Fine. I am on Insta, Ratna Composer Studio. You can also follow me over there. You can also message me over there. But first thing first is to register yourself for a counseling session. And soon I'm going to have some workshops. So if I think you'd be fit for that plan, where we have a little 4 hours of slots dedicated to help you out, focus in studies and academics, then definitely we are going to soon together join and share the knowledge and the wisdom and help you out, learn and grow. We are going to do this together. Are you ready? So just all you have to do is register by messaging me your name, your grade, your parents' consent. So that is to be in, if the student is contacting me, I would want to speak to the parents, and perhaps we could figure it out. Students themselves who want me to help you, you will have to ask your parents to talk to me, because here we need the permission of your parents first before I interact with you, in order to know what problems you are facing in life in your academics and how we can make this thing a success together. In so again, even the elders who are facing problems, who need a life coaching or a mentorship, feel free to write down problems of your life. Why aren't you being able to be successful in your career? What could be your goals, possible goals, and what do you think? Why aren't you having it all figured out? What do you think is one thing in the recipe which is making you fail, or perhaps not being able to help you achieve it? What is that one thing that is stopping you from growing ahead? So I'm going today on my journey, and I'm going to create a song, a new music today, and I'm going to take one step higher, further in my journey, and I want you to all know that you have my back and I'm there if you are struggling to take another step, or not knowing what direction, or you don't have the goals, or perhaps as a student or as a working profession, if you don't have it figured out. You could simply register yourself for the first free counseling session, and we will make it together from there. So ciao, go take out those old suits from your wardrobe. You don't need a new suit, you don't need a new book. All you have it is there already. We just need to dust it off the shelves and make it clean and bright, and let the shine, or let the light shine into your life. Ciao, I'm gonna go make some music, go get some flowers, and you go and figure it out, a reason. What is why you're failing? What is success to you? Let's start this together and let's grow together. Live the music in you. A musician says they live as far as the music is there in them. So this is what I say. Live the music in you. As far as there is life, you have to keep playing the instrument of your life. You have to keep singing the notes in your life. So you figure out what's music to you, and you have to keep singing until there is life on this earth. You have to keep evolving, learning and growing. Ta-da! Have a wonderful day, and see you soon in the next podcast, where I'm going to drop down some tips and tricks for the students to learn. Till then, ciao.